Hi, this is Diane at dianescards.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a diagonal trifold card. I had one on my blog, this one on my blog about a week and a half ago, and got a couple of requests to do a video to show how to make it. So it opens like so. Kind of interesting. I always like different fun fold cards. And it's not hard. I saw it on another demonstrator's website, Rachel Tessman, and she had a lot more detail than I'm going to give you today. So if I don't give you enough information, you can always go check out her video. I tried to simplify it a little and thought you might find it helpful. So I'm going to make one today using a Celebration set that's available just another few weeks. And it is the Blooming Basket stamp set. And I use the basket and the Here For You and the butterfly. And I also used the embossing folder, the dynamic embossing folder, very thick and heavy and makes a great impression on your paper. They're available for a purchase of $100. You get them both. And the basket will be continued over into the new catalog, but you won't be able to get it as a bundle. So, all right, what we're going to do is first do the scoring for this. You're going to get 2 out of 1 piece of paper. So what you want to do first is score on this. Here's 11 inches, this standard piece of cardstock, scored at 5.5. You notice I have mine labeled just so I don't screw it up. And then you're going to score this way at 4.25. They're the same measurements you would use for any standard A2 card. So you're going to score here and here. Okay. And then take the scoring part out, just because it gets in the way when we're cutting later. All right. So now we're going to line up this corner with the channel. There's a little gutter there, a little gully. You're going to line that corner up with that, and this corner, can you see both of them? Let me move this down a little bit. With this part of the channel. You want to make sure they're both, the points are directly pointing in there. And now we're going to cut, and you'll see we get 2 cards out of this. Doesn't look like a card, does it? So this part comes down. I'll score that later with my bone folder. This part comes over. Cool, right? Now, you can put a white piece in there if you like, or whatever, just to have some place where you want to write your message. But this came out pretty well. I used designer paper here. You could certainly use that. On this one, I decided to use the basket weave, to emboss the paper with the basket weave. And you're going to do the same thing. That is, I'm going to put this corner right in this channel so that it points right there, and then this corner goes over here. Score and cut. And I didn't give myself enough room there. Okay. So we're done with the cutting, we're done with all the hard parts. And the rest is just assemble. Let's get this back the way it was. Whenever I have anything that's embossed, I like to use a really good adhesive like tear and tape or fast fuse or something like that, because it's hard to make sure that that's going to be adhered. It's not hard, but you want to make sure you have an extra strong adhesive so that it adheres well. Okay. Pretty interesting, isn't it, watching me put adhesive on and okay, so there's that. Now, I had the basket. I already put dimensionals on the back because I want these pieces, I want this to sit on here, but I don't want this adhered because then I'd never be able to open the card. This I did fine. This piece with the little butterfly on it. I moved that a little bit. So when I close it, just keep that above there a little bit. Okay? So that's how you do the diagonal trifold. I think it's called trifold because you end up having 3 parts. All right, so enjoy. Let me know how you do. I hope you'll make one and let me see it. Send me an email or somehow put it on an email and get it to me so I can see what you did. If you need any of the supplies, just contact me through my blog, dianescards.com, and I hope you have fun with this. Thank you.